Samsung officially pulled back the curtain on the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition at the Galaxy Unpacked event 2025. And let's just say it's bringing flagship energy at a fan-friendly price. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. With sleek upgrades, smarter photography, and serious battery life, the S25 FE is ready to disrupt the mid-range smartphone game. One of the first things you'll notice, it's slimmer, lighter, and more pocket-friendly than its predecessors. That too without sacrificing power. Inside, you'll find the Exynos 2400 4nm processor driving performance paired with a beefed-up 4900 mAh battery and 45-watt wired fast charging. You'll hit 65% in just 30 minutes. Photography gets a major glow-up too. The rear triple camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 8-megapixel telephoto with 30x digital zoom, all enhanced by Samsung's newest AI photography tools like low noise mode, super HDR, generative edit, and instant slow-mo. Up front, there's a sharper 12-megapixel selfie cam to keep your portraits perfect. And if you're worried about durability, the IP68 rating means it can survive splashes, rain, and even a quick dunk up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes. Don't try it, by the way, it's not made for pool parties. But for everyday oops moments, you're covered. Want even more protection? Case brands like Spigen, OtterBox, and Casetify have you sorted. The Galaxy S25 FE may not have everything from Samsung's Ultra line, but it nails the essentials and throws in some flagship level perks too. So in short, the Galaxy S25 FE is the kind of phone that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to feel like a VIP. Are you gonna make a purchase? Tell us in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.